Thanks for joining us today at Leggari Products. We're super excited about this video and we hope you love it too. Enjoy.
Second technique, same concept as that one, but we're gonna do no dispersing spray. We're gonna use dispersing drops to create like, what do you call them, knots in the wood. So we're gonna do earth tones on this. This is our new coffee color. And just so you know, these are 2 foot by 4 foot boards, and we're mixing up 30 ounces. And then we separate out our highlights out of that. It's a perfect amount for doing a 2 foot by 4 foot board, 8 square feet. So I got my 3/8 snap roller. You can use a foam roller because all we're doing is just spreading this out. See how I apply a little pressure? Use it as a squeegee. Look at that. Use these rollers as squeegees. You get good at that, you can put down a base coat real quick on a counter. Looks like we got a good even coat here, so what I'm gonna do, go around, make sure I'm done with the top. Now I'm gonna hit my edges. I'm not gonna hit the top once I do my edges. I don't wanna get debris up there. Now we're gonna take our new khaki color. Keep in mind, you can do any colors like this. This is just a technique, and we're gonna show you how to really make a wood grain. And I'm not gonna do as much black as I did on the silver one, just because I want the majority of this to be kind of coffee and or khaki. Same thing. Now we're gonna go. I like to do half and half, but I'll work this as like a counter, like pretend that's the backsplash. I'm gonna lean over, I'm gonna work my way out. That way I'm not working in and have to pull my trowel out and run the risk of dropping some color somewhere I'm already done. So, I'm gonna start working that back edge. Notice how I'm dragging it off the edges. Like if you had a wall, say you had a wall here, you would probably want to get the margin trowel and pull off of it. You know, because you want to get right up to that edge. the pool trowel is rounded, so it's not going to get right in the corner. That's when we use the margin trowel. So you could always hit it more, but I really like the colors we got there. Now for an easy way to get like a knot in the wood, use like small paint brushes, twisted them, but the best one we found is get just one nice good drip. See that? It's gonna start pushing it out. Try not to get it anywhere else. There we go. And honestly, like a syringe would work the best. Like right here, see how it's kind of pushing it out?
Hey Leggari friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, watch our latest videos, and hey, if you have any ideas for future projects, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.